Hey everyone, welcome back. In my previous video, we were discussing about Stone Age and their broad classifications starting from 2 million BC to 4000 BC. So in this video, we will start from 4000 BC. Around 4000 to 2500 BC is called as Chalcolithic Age. Okay, this age is also called as Copper Age. During this period, people were using stone and copper as tools. Okay, you can remember this much for Chalcolithic Age. Next, coming to the Bronze Age. In Chalcolithic Age, people were using copper. Then in Bronze Age, people mixed this copper with tin. So this age is called as Bronze Age. During Bronze Age period, there were 4 civilizations exists across the world. That is, first civilization was Mesopotamian civilization in Iraq, that was existed across Euphrates and Tigris rivers. Second civilization was Egyptian civilization, that was existed along Nile river in Egypt. Third civilization was Chinese civilization, that was existed along Yungo and Yangtze rivers. Sorry for the false pronunciation, you can remember the words here. Then fourth civilization was Indus Valley civilization, as we know, that was existed along Indus river system. Okay, these 4 civilization are very important for mains answer writing. UPSC may ask various different features among these 4 civilization across the world. So you can note down some features of these 4 civilization by comparing with each other. It may important for mains examination. So in this video I will explain only about Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization started around 2500 BC to 1500 BC. Okay, this Indus Valley civilization is also called as Harappan civilization. Why it is also called as Harappan civilization? Because the first site that was found in the Indus Valley civilization was Harappa in Punjab region of Pakistan. So this is also called as Harappan civilization. Okay, totally around more than 250 sites were found in Indus Valley civilization. So we are not able to remember all these 450 sites. UPSC already asked regarding these sites, but we are not able to remember all these things. So just remember that there were more than 250 sites found in Indus Valley civilization. Okay, then third point is this Indus Valley civilization is bigger than other civilizations that were found across the world, which means this Indus Valley civilization is around 1.5 million square kilometer. That is the size of Indus Valley civilization. Then coming to the extension of this Indus Valley civilization, from west it starts at Pak Iran border to UP in east. Then from north it starts from Afghanistan to Maharashtra in south. Okay, this is the extension of Indus Valley civilization. Then coming to the important cities that were found in Indus Valley civilization. Important cities were, it is important actually for prelims perspective, it is very important. That is Harappa, that is the Punjab region in Pakistan. Second one is Mohenjo-daro in Sindh region of Pakistan. Third one is Chanhu-daro in Sindh region of Pakistan. Then fourth is Lothal in Gujarat, Gulf of Cambay in Gujarat. Fifth one is Kalibangan in Rajasthan. Sixth one is Banawali in Haryana. And seventh one is, it was found recently, which means in 2018 itself they excavated. So this is named as Rakigari in Haryana. This was found recently in 2018. Okay, Then coming to some features of Indus Valley civilization, that is town planning and constructions in Indus Valley civilization. First one is citadel. Citadel means upper town. Upper town, that was means here ruling authority was living in the upper town. Ruling authority means kingdom. Kingdom was living in the upper town. That was called as citadel. Then second one is lower town. In lower town, common people were staying. Okay. Then in Indus Valley civilization, houses were made from burnt bricks. It was having one floor. Then it was having kitchens, doors, ventilation. And then it was having drainage well and also courtyard. Okay. Then fourth one is streets. Regarding streets, Indus civilization having grid pattern. It had grid pattern. Then house drainage was connected to street drainage. Okay. Then street corners were rounded for easy passage of bullock carts, which means we can say that street pattern were in grid pattern. Then house drainage were connected to street drainage, and also street corners were made round for easy passage of bullock carts. Okay. Then monuments that were found during Indus Valley civilizations were great bath, that is ritual purpose they were using. Then pool with water inside the great bath. These two monuments found in Indus Valley civilization. Then coming to the granaries. Granaries means storage structure for grains. Okay. Harappan sites or Harappan cities had 6 granaries, and Lothal and Kalibangan were also had granaries. Okay. Then coming to the agricultural crops that were grown during Indus Valley civilization were wheat, barley, spices. Then tools that were used by Indus Valley people were, as usual we know that bronze they were using, copper, ivory, and also wooden flow they were using for agriculture purpose for plowing. Then crafts, what all the craftsmanship they were having at that time was beads, ornaments, terracotta, pottery. Okay. Then coming to the animals domesticated, what all the animals they were domesticated were sheep, goat, cattle, pig, deer, and boars. Okay, just remember this. Then they had trade with Middle East and Mesopotamian people. Okay. They want, if they want to make trade, means they should have weight system, right? For that they were maintaining uniform weight system that was called as standard cubical weights. Okay. Then coming to the beliefs, they were believed in God and ghost. They were believed in both God and ghost. There were no temples found. Okay. Then Pashupati, which means Pashupati means Shiva. Shiva shield was found in Indus Valley region. Okay. In Indus Valley civilization, king was the ruler and no priesthoodness found. This is also important. Which means, once again I will repeat, in Indus Valley civilization, king was the ruler and no priesthood found. Okay. Okay, I am stopping here. In my next video I will explain about Vedic age, that is also called as Iron Age, where Aryans enter into India. That's called as Iron Age. So if you like my initiative, please comment in the comment section, so that I will keep on uploading my short note, so that it will be benefit for your upcoming prelims exam. Thank you.